Okay, we have some more punching, fighting type robots. I'm not sure if I'm back far enough because this is going to be an unboxing as well. Because it still seems to be taped up. Yep, still taped up. So, it had a try me button on the front. So that of course has me a little bit worried. These apparently are on wired remote control units. So if the batteries have leaked, at least it won't be in the robot itself. Bottom of the box says that this was packaged for Kmart. Made for Kmart Corporation. I don't see a date. If you want to read any of that, you can pause and knock yourself out. Not a whole lot of information. Here's what the remote's going to look like. So 2 buttons with 2 directions for punching and driving. Apparently it can move in all those different directions. We will see. Fancy cardboard packaging, styrofoam. Okay, I like that. It's coming out. Okay, we got the box out of the way. You know, this is all taped together. Yeah. Like a Gotta take this apart a whole lot more than I was hoping I wouldn't have to. And we got that side. I'm assuming I have to do it on both sides. Okay, let's see where that gets us. It looks like the cardboard. Maybe I need to be undoing this cardboard. And obviously they didn't want anybody to save any of this. You're supposed to shred it open and be done with it. We can just dig one of them out. That will satisfy me. But okay, we're getting somewhere, I think. I don't see how that robot's going to fit through this cardboard. Hey, holy shamoly. Table's not really big enough for a complete tear down. As long as it takes me to get this thing out of there, you guys have to remember, I got to spend all that time to put it all back in there again. Okay, I think the blue one is almost sort of kind of out. Obviously his feet have to be able to fit through this cardboard. There we go. Alright, I got one of them. I don't think I even ruined any of the packaging. Well, obviously it walks, it's got moving, it's got motor driven wheels. No writing. I'm sure when you hit the button on the front, okay, that must make a sound or a light or something. Well, let's put a battery, 3 batteries in there and see what the heck happens, if anything. Battery door has gold lock toys. Three double A's. Okay, on the remote, I have 2 buttons on the top. Revitalize red button, and then the 2 buttons we talked about, and then there's a switch that says play and demo. I'm assuming we need to be in play mode. I hit revitalize and we've got a red LED there. Okay, so we've got a motor running in this foot. So I see you could control the feet, and you can either scoot along like that, or you can go in opposite directions. Alright, let's see if we can get some other controls. Alright, this button over here is making the body turn, and he's throwing that jab. What about this side? Oh, I think we've seen this action on some of the other ones. I'm going to try and stop him when he's aiming more forward. Well, it still works. So I mean, that's welcome news. It's able to stop it that way. Haven't really figured out what hitting the chest button is supposed to do. The heads don't pick up. See what revitalize. I guess maybe if you get hit, you lose power. Yeah, everything is stopped. So revitalize resets it, I think. Yep. So it's like a reset. If you get hit there, then you're like dead in the water. I don't know how many hits it takes. Oh, let's look. Does 1 hit do it? Oh, yeah. 1 hit does it. You get hit, you're dead, and the only way you can come back is then hit the revitalize button. So there you have it. I don't know, what do you have? We have a blue and we have a red. We have the robot fighters packaged for, what did I say, Kmart? No. Yep, made for Kmart. I just don't see a date anywhere on here. Oh, wait a minute, there's a piece of paper in here. This may answer a lot of our questions. User manual. Shows you how to put the batteries in. Talks about revitalize. After installing the batteries, push the revitalize button. I did. Yep, shows the buttons that do the arms, shows the buttons that make it walk. If the center chest position is hit, robot will shut down altogether. Press the revitalize button on the controller to bring power back to the robot. If we got a date down here anywhere. Again, it just says made for Kmart Corporation. Unless there's some sort of date that's like encoded in that number or anything like that. Nothing on the back side. Just a big user's manual. So there you have it. Including the good looking red one. See if I can turn it so we can see the red one. Get over here. Come on. Yeah. Sort of kind of have them both in a picture. just expect that to be breaking some gears when they're slinging around like that. But there you have it. Robot fighters, Kmart.